So we'll just need to separate the sock, or the safety, just protects it from all the gucky road substances, and you'll be able to slide it and then pull it. So now we're just going to pull these two bolts off right now, so they should be 17s or so. Give it a couple whacks of love. Same with the bottom one. And there we go, there's the two brace bolts. And the brace comes right out, nice and easy. Move to out here, the rotor should theoretically just come off. Has been a while since she has been free, so I don't blame her. There we go. That there is essentially a brake disassembly in the rear of the R31.